Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Yahoo Mail advertisements can be very frustrating. They look like real emails, but they are just paid promotions. These ads take up space in your inbox. You can remove them using a few simple methods. The first way is to pay for Yahoo Mail Plus. This is a monthly subscription service offered by Yahoo. It removes all banner and inbox ads. It also gives you extra storage space. If you do not want to pay, you can use a browser extension. Ad blockers are very popular and effective tools. You can install uBlock Origin or AdBlock on Chrome or Firefox. These extensions hide the ads automatically. They make your inbox look much cleaner instantly. Another option is to use a third-party email client. You can connect your Yahoo account to the Mail app on your iPhone or Mac. You can also use Microsoft Outlook on your computer. These apps only show your actual messages. They do not show the ads that appear on the Yahoo website. You can also try using a private browser window. Sometimes this reduces the number of tracked ads you see. However, an ad blocker is usually the best free choice for most users. Make sure you keep your extension updated. This ensures it continues to block new types of advertisements. Some people prefer the mobile app. The Yahoo Mail app has ads too. You can hide them by swiping, but they will return. Using a different app like Gmail or Spark is a better solution for mobile users. These steps will help you enjoy a clean and distraction-free email experience starting right now.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.